We'll need some captions to complement each image as it's animating, and we're going to reuse our Word document from our All About Me project folder. Let me open it up, and then immediately save it with a new name, because we don't want to alter the original essay. We're going to save as and browse to our All About Me video project. We're going to change the name. A good name for a document always starts with the date. This day happens to be 1909-25. We're going to call this Captions and Credits. And as always, put your name. Now, since this isn't the essay anymore, I'm going to make it really obvious when we open it up by putting Captions and Credits here in the title. Now, the reason I'm doing this is to reuse this outline. So I don't really need this essay, but it can be helpful if you can't think of what you want to say about one of these things. You can look at your essay and see what you wrote about it and then distill that down to just a few words. The general rule is 5 words. If they're very short words, you could fit 6, but you don't want the words to take over the image. It's just going to appear on the screen for a very short while, and we want people to mostly see the picture. If it's a person, then please use their name, because we may not know who that is. And if there's text already on the image, don't just rewrite the text. So for example, for my Honduras, I can say I learned Spanish as a kid. So technically 6 letters, 6 words, but some of these are very short, so that should fit just fine. Notice I'm using the tab button. If you ever want to see what it is that makes the text look like it does, this symbol right here, clicking on it will definitely show you more. So Guam, there's a few things I could say. Maybe it doesn't say Guam on the picture, but Guam is where my son was born. So that's getting a little bit long, so maybe abbreviate it by using a colon there, where my son was born, keeping it nice and short. Okay. Learned to snowboard. Just get some captions that we will then copy and paste into Premiere. The reason we're doing this is because Premiere does not have a spell checker. And so we may need to look this over carefully to catch things that are not spelling errors, but at least the obvious ones will be caught. Now, once you have all of those, we don't need the essay, so I'll actually delete this, because I'm going to reuse this document to also do the credits, and I'll show you that next.